The products and components that we manufacture that find their way into the medical device world, they're forever getting more complex. They're becoming more miniaturized. The key concept is that the less invasive a procedure is to a person, the faster the recovery time is for that person, which translates to lower costs. So we are being pushed to manufacture products that maintain the same level of functionality, but in much smaller, more tightly packaged envelopes. So something that used to be as simple as an insertion device that was being used by the surgeon could have been this big and all it did was insertion. Nowadays, we have devices that will have to do the incision, do the dilation, do the insertion, do the extraction, all in one instrument.